Hello friends, in this video we will try to find the system of linear equation and we will discuss we will try to find the matrix representation of that system of linear equation. So suppose we have a system of linear equation. Uh, so what will be the matrix representation of the system of linear equation is, which we can write it as Ax is equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the collection of variables, and B is the right hand side of the system of linear equation. So let's back to our question. So we have in a laptop showroom, there are laptops with RAM 4 GB, 8 GB, and 16 GB of different companies A, B, and C. Last week, the showroom sold 3 laptops with 4 GB RAM of companies A, B, and C respectively. That means the showroom sold 2 laptop of company A, 1 laptop of company B, and 3 laptop of company C. All are 4 GB RAM only. Similarly, he sold 1 laptop, uh, 1, 2, and 1 laptops with 8 GB RAM of companies A, B, and C respectively. Next is he sold 3 laptops with 16 GB RAM of companies A, B, and C respectively. The prices of laptops with a particular GB RAM are the same irrespective of the company. What it means that laptops of companies A, B, and C with 4 GB RAM have the same price. Similarly, laptops of company A, B, and C with 8 GB RAM have the same price, and laptops of companies A, B, and C with 16 GB RAM have the same price. The owner of the showroom earned rupees 14, 17, and 18. These are all in 10,000 in that week by selling laptop of companies A, B, and C respectively. Now we have a question that using the above information, form the system of linear equations and find the matrix representation of the system of linear equations. To find the prices are in 10,000 of one laptop with 4 GB, one laptop with 8 GB, and one laptop with 16 GB. So we need to find the prices of each laptop in different GBs. So let's collect these data in some chart type. So assume to be here. So these are the companies A, B, and C here, and here are the 4 GB, 8 GB, and 16 GB. Now the showroom sold 1 and 3 laptop with 4 GB. So he sold 2 laptop, 1 laptop, and 3 laptop in different companies of 4 GB with 4 GB RAM. Similarly, next is he sold 1, 2, and 1 laptop with 8 GB RAM. So 1, 2, and 1 laptop with 8 GB RAM of different company A, B, and C. Now next is he sold 2 laptop, 3 laptop with 16 GB. So he sold with of different companies. So 2 laptop, 3 laptop, and 3 laptop, that is our companies A, B, C. So this much laptop he sold. Next is he earned with company A, laptop with company of company A is 14, and laptop of company B is 17 in 10,000. These are all in 10,000, and laptop of company C is rupees 18 and 10,000. So this is the 16 GB here. So now we will try to form the system of linear equation using these information. So assume the price of a laptop with 4 GB is P. So this is for 4 GB, small p. And price of a laptop with 8 GB is Q. So this is 8 GB. And price of laptop with 16 GB is R. This is 16 GB. Now let's back to our chart here. So these are the prices of a laptop. Now we will try to form the system of linear equation using in these variables. So how we will form? Observe that these are the earning of the owner. So these are in 10,000. For simplicity, let's make it in only 14, 17 and 18. And let's stick on company A only, that the showroom sold 2 laptop from company A with 4 GB. So what will be the price? So what will be the total amount? Will be 2P with 4 GB RAM. And 1 laptop of 8 GB of company A. So make it here. So of 8 GB's price is Q. So this is Q only. And 2 laptop with 16 GB of the same company A. So what will be then price is 2 on, and the owner have earned 14. So which is equal to, these are the total price, selling price of company A. So owner will be earn rupees 14. Similarly, here let's stick on company B. So he sold 1 laptop of 4 GB. So price will be P only, right? And 2 laptop of with 8 GB. So this is 2Q. And 3 laptop with 16 GB. So this is 3R. And he earned rupees 17. So this much amount he earned. And now let's stick on company C. So he sold 3 laptop of 4G with 4 GB. So this is 3P, and plus 1 laptop with 8 GB. So this is Q here, and 3 laptop with 16 GB. So this is 16R, and he earned rupees 18. So this is 18 here. Now this is the system of linear equation in variable PQR. So we form that the system of linear equation. Now what will be the matrix representation of this system of linear equation? So the coefficient matrix A will be 2, 1, 2, and here is 1, 2, 3 here, and this is 3, 1. So here he sold 3 laptop with 16 GB. So here it will be 3. So here is 3. Now variables are PQR. So X is here P, Q and R, and P is right hand side of the system of linear equation. So here right hand side is 14, 17 and 18. So here 14, 17 and 18. So finally the system will be like this. System of linear equation AX is equal to B is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 3, and this is X here. So P, Q and R, and this is equal to P, which is 14, 17 and 18. So this is the matrix representation of the system of linear equation. This. Thank you.